In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms interrogatifs, but more precisely, we will see qui. So, what are les pronoms interrogatifs? Well, we'll have two things to answer. That's the first one. The interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions about people, things, or choices. And the second thing, their usage depends on the type of information you want to inquire about. So, this lesson is about qui and the interrogative pronoun qui can be translated into English as who or whom. So we will see few examples with qui. Qui chante ce soir? Qui chante ce soir? Qui est ton professeur de français? Qui est ton professeur de français? Qui a mangé le gâteau au chocolat? Qui a mangé le gâteau au chocolat? Qui va à la fête d'anniversaire demain? Qui va à la fête d'anniversaire demain?